stripped of the ball, but I'll tell you what, had that gone in, they might have come close to looking to produce their first attack. Header, Treble win. The one goal from Johnny Makhehleni came right deep in stoppage time, a consolation for Magesi. Were
going on to do bigger things that I'm sure is forgotten that situation a long time ago.
There's Ozone-Napolis. And they've got two players on loan as well in the last week from Orlando Pirates, Siyabonga Ndlozi and Sifiso Lutule, but Zulu. And then I presume they're going to stay down in Durban because they've got the cup game against TTM. Ndaba beginning to take hold of that left-back position for Orlando Pirates. Dion Hotto, of course, freelancing there for a very long time. But
in Sendami, who obviously is attacking a wide right player. I've never seen him play as an inverted. He's always good in opening up the width. The reason of being cool is about being able to keep that away from the public.
Can he get this into Mbatuma? Chipazeze saves. That was a good header though, down into the ground. Chipazeze, a good goalkeeper. You've got to produce something hard and firm to beat him.
You've got to remember,
this is the kind of atmosphere that you hear in North Africa at the league matches. So there's confirmation. We've reached the half-hour mark, and that 9th minute goal from Butuma separating the two sides here.
I can stress
names for an older generation. There's a few
very good ones. And then the header from Butuma, for me, those are the kinds of headers that.
There's Makhaula. Almost very quickly, but still time for him to turn and move forward. Loses out. Mofokeng, Makhaula, chance now if Pirates can get that ball up quick. Today for Magesi. Not a happy start for him if this is to be a new job for that. Now let's see what Makhehleni can set up here. Be the story of the game so far for Magesi, unable to hold onto the ball with the intense pressure being applied by the Buccaneers. He's another who didn't immediately get into the Pirates lineup when he joined from Amazulu at the start of the season. Took a month or so before he got an opportunity to show his stuff. Mofokeng, Makhaula. Foul on Makhaula.
Yeah, it's a collision off the ball instant. Ball long gone. Could have been given as a foul in favor of one of the Pirates. Into Makhaula. Oh, by the way, at half time, took a walk around, and guess who I bumped into?
Easy pass from Mofokeng. There's Makhaula. Mofokeng, promotion, of course, Magesi. They were outright winners of the Foundation Championship 2 seasons ago to win promotion up. And since then, of course, they've fixed up the Shesheko Stadium and took them to that trophy in their very first campaign. What a fairy tale win that was. No yellow cards in this game, by the way, so far. Receiving in there, he's normally the one who gets stuck into the ankles of the other players. This goes against Makhaula.
Did they play to?
They did.
Makhaula, yes, they did. When the high ball is coming in, when the ball has gone wide, he's sure to get himself into that center to attack across.
Now Magesi looking to get themselves back in this game. Touching there for Mosadi. Sebele Bele, who is pushing forward. And now Vandala on this right for Magesi. Can they conjure something up here? Dapo, he was in that side that won 3-2 here in the Carling knockout. Bit of change for Magesi. Mashiko has gone off with 25 minutes remaining. Makhaula, Moremi. We're hearing that Moremi and Apollos will be going off. Maswanganyi coming on. Still in the crowd, which puzzles us as to what is actually happening at Magesi. Often happens that way when you make the changes in the second half. And another foul by Makhaula, who might be treading a very dangerous line now. There's been a few from him. Still got a wonderful engine for a man of his age.
I'm just looking at the wonderful timing of Wanduli's injury.